welcome back to my channel. So if you want brighter and whiter teeth, then you're at the right place, because in today's video I'm going to show you DIY teeth whitening at home with strawberries. Yes, so let's dive into it. Now you must be wondering how strawberry can whiten your teeth. Well, strawberry contains malic acid, an enzyme which will gonna help you in break down all the yellow stains from your teeth, as well as it's having vitamin C. And we all know vitamin C helps a lot in removing plaque from your mouth. So this is a working ingredient which will gonna help us today. So let me show you how you have to make this DIY teeth whitening paste. Now this is ready to apply. I'm taking a little amount of it on my toothbrush and going to apply it. So that's it. Beauties, this is the most natural, easiest and simplest way of getting white teeth, bright smile at home. And trust me, this works like amazingly. I tried it and this is really good. It also removes the plaque and bad breath from your mouth, and this is just amazing. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Do follow me on passes. Share your progress with me. Comment in the comment section. Love you so much, beauties. See you in my next video. Tata and love you.